In the heart of Georgia, where Vickery Creek bends and the forest whispers, the Roswell Mill once stood as a beacon of hope and industry. In the mid 1800s, this factory was more than a brick and iron. It was the lifeline of a growing community. Men powered the machines, women spun and stitched, and children's laughter echoed between the walls. But then came the war. The Civil War swept through Georgia like a storm, reshaping lives and landscapes. The river that once carried prosperity became a witness to fire and sorrow. By July 1864, Union troops arrived in Roswell. The mills, once alive with work, were burned, their machines silenced. But history would change the course of the mills. During the Civil War, Roswell Mill produced cloth and thread for the Confederate Army. Hundreds of mill workers, mostly women and children, were arrested and deported to the North in one of the most tragic episodes of Roswell's past. The destruction was total. Blackened walls stood like tombstones of an era. Yet, even in ruin, Roswell endured. The mills were rebuilt after the war, powered first by water, then by steam. Roswell Mill continued to operate well into the 20th century, driving the local economy and symbolizing resilience. By 1975, the last machine fell silent. And still the river flows. The ruins remain. If you stand here today among the arches and stones, you can almost hear the echo of hammers, the rush of water wheels, and the whispers of women whose lives were forever changed. The Roswell Mill is no longer what it once was, but the story still stands.